Japanese restaurant. Come this way, please. This is the menu. Let's check out what the guests would like to eat. Taiyaki. Taiyaki is a Japanese dessert. It is shaped like a small chubby fish. Make the batter. Crack 3 eggs. Add the sugar. Add the honey. Add the flour and sift it. Bake taiyaki. Add half of the batter first. Cheese filling. Cheese filling. Cheese filling. Cheese filling. And then add the rest of the batter to cover the filling. Close the baking tray and bake it. Wow! I love the sweet smell of taiyaki. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. The taiyaki is ready! Awesome! Thanks for waiting. Here is your cuisine. Enjoy your meal! Thanks a lot! Welcome! Come this way, please. Ramen! Ramen is a common type of noodle in Japan. It has many different flavors. Ramen noodles are thin, chewy, and smooth. Make the miso soup base. Add oil. Minced onions. Minced ginger. Minced garlic. Fry the ingredients. Add chicken stock. Add the sesame oil. Add mirin. Add miso. Miso is the most important ingredient in miso soup. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. Naruto maki. Soft boiled egg. Soft boiled egg. Soft boiled egg. Bean sprout. Naruto maki. Awesome! This bowl of miso ramen is so delicious. Sorry to interrupt. Here is your cuisine. Let's cook for another. Enjoy your meal.